Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tea 1 cup full guide. Start by selecting fresh water and the tea type you prefer, then measure 1 teaspoon or 1 tea bag per cup. Heat water to the right temperature for the tea variety and pre-warm your cup. Steep for the recommended time, taste, and adjust for strength. Finish with an optional splash of milk or sweetener to suit your preference. Begin by heating your water to the right temperature based on the tea type and avoid overboiling for delicate leaves. Use a thermometer or kettle settings if available, and let boiled water cool a moment for green tea. Pre-warm the cup to keep steeping consistent and measure tea precisely to control strength. Steeping time and temperature matter more than you might think for a consistently great single cup. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting steep timers and playing relaxing music while your tea brews, and it can make mornings more pleasant with voice control. I find it useful and affordable for kitchen timers and ambient sounds. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Steep according to the tea's needs and watch the clock, since oversteeping changes flavor quickly. Place the tea in your warmed cup or infuser, pour the water at the right temperature, and cover while it steeps to retain heat. Taste early and remove the tea when you reach your preferred strength, then serve immediately. Finish with milk, lemon, honey, or sugar if you like, and enjoy your perfectly brewed single cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.